Are you prepared to discover how to earn a lot of money online? I'll also reveal 2 other websites so you can double your earnings and an amazing tool that can help you do the entire process in less than 5 minutes and just 3 simple steps to make even more money. But stay until the end of the video to learn how you can earn up to $1,400 every single day without selling anything, having any prior experience, or even using affiliate marketing. Consequently, let's visit Google.com first. When you enter Google News into the search box there, news will be the first result. The official Google News website is at google.com. When you click on the first link, Google News main page will appear. It's similar to an online newspaper where you can discover news about local and international news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, and health. You may get all kinds of news on this official Google page right now. I can imagine what you're thinking. Why should I even care? How am I going to make money by reading news websites? I'll explain. Since there are many news categories listed at the top of the website, including international news and local news, we'll concentrate on them. Business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Since we're only interested in the good stuff, click on one of the categories you're interested in to see a variety of information about that topic. For today's video, we're going to focus on the health category, so click on that to see what's cooking. We'll see some incredibly recent news as we scroll down, along with items on health and fitness. So let's have a look. Okay, I'll click this one to see what's going on because it got my attention. Now that we have found the article to work on, let me walk you through the most intriguing step of the procedure. Are you ready to understand the great approach I just demonstrated for producing original material first? You'll need to choose an article on Google News that you like and copy it. Let me demonstrate. First, I'll select everything as shown, click right-click, and then click Copy. But wait, we can't just copy it and use it as is. We need to be careful to avoid being accused of plagiarism. Spinbot steps in at this point. Enter the text from the article you found at spinbot.com. Here's where the magic happens. Using specialized software called Spinbot, you can recreate the article you just copied and pasted using your own words. Yes, you will have a brand new article with the same subject as the one you first found on Google News. However, you might wonder why we should do this. Well, we might get into some legal difficulties due to copyright issues if we simply copied and pasted the original material. We can avoid all of that and produce fresh material by using Spinbot. Allow me to do that. I'll enter that article into Spinbot, choose Basic Spin, and wait a few seconds. You now have a distinctive blog post, article, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so here's the deal. You can actually earn some big money with this essay, and I'll show you how. To start with, you should duplicate this piece and preserve it in a secure location because we'll be selling it to a buyer. These websites will pay you $1 for every word you write, and believe me when I say that these articles can include thousands of words. So, we're talking some big money. So once you've safely saved this post, let's get to work on earning some real money. Just follow along with me, and I'll demonstrate everything for you. Therefore, eatingwell.com will be the first website we discuss today. The exciting part is that you will be paid $1 for every word you write at this point. You won't have to perform any of the laborious work yourself, so don't worry. Without having to worry about copyright issues, you can easily publish articles using Google News and Spinbot, and the greatest thing is that you won't have to engage in any selling, affiliate marketing, or other form of marketing. Keep watching till the end because I have a surprise for you. I'll demonstrate how to generate income from 2 more websites. You can earn even more money by using numerous websites thanks to one of them that pays up to $2 for each word you write and accepts articles on a variety of subjects, including money, health, fitness, travel, personal essays, and relationships. So if you write an article for eatingwell.com, you will be paid $1 per word, and if you write an article for the other website I'm going to show you, you will be paid $2 per word. It's very simple. You don't need to spend a lot of time writing, and you can start earning money right now. Now that we've got that out of the way, you might be wondering how to get paid for your work. It's simple. You'll notice once you're on this page that they pay $1 for each word you submit. The next step is to copy the website's email address and send them an email with the subject "Content Submission." To make it even more professional, just say that you have an article you want to submit and are eager to hear from them. You can copy and paste your content into the email and press send. If they're interested in your content, they will reply and request your payment information. Don't worry, there shouldn't be any problems since it's your own content. You may decide how you want to be paid: PayPal, a bank transfer, or whatever works best for you. Easy enough? And you can literally start doing this as you watch this video if you simply follow along with me. Plus, Google News posts fresh stories every couple of hours, so you'll be able to start producing your own articles. The earning potential is infinite, and if you look at the health category, you'll see that there are other subcategories that provide countless opportunities to make money. The more you do this, the more money you'll earn. Eating Well is the first website you can check out, but I also promise to offer 2 other places where you can submit your posts. The second website, Popular Science, is comparable to Eating Well but accepts submissions more quickly. You only need to submit questions, and after you have a response, you may submit the entire article. You should concentrate on issues connected to technology if you want to submit an article to the Popular Science website. Go return to Google News, select Technology, and search for something that grabs your attention. For instance, pick this item to put into SpinBot, which will then rewrite it in your voice and style. You won't have to worry about copyright because, if necessary, this will assist you in writing an original and compelling piece that can be submitted to the Popular Science website. As long as you write in your own words and make it distinctive, everything we're doing is perfectly legal. Okay, let's move on to the last website we'll discuss, AARP.org. Visit their website and look at their submission guidelines if you want to learn how to send them your content. The amazing part is that they can pay up to $2 per word. The fact that they accept writings on a variety of subjects, including health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more, makes them more lucrative than the other websites we've discussed. Now that you know what to do, submit your articles to Eating Well, Popular Science, and AARP.org. Though they won't accept the same thing twice, make sure you submit unique pieces to each website because even if they only accept 1 post each day, you can still make hundreds of dollars a day. Naturally, not every article you submit will be accepted as they may already have something similar on their website, but fear not, you can start doing this right away for free and get paid directly to your PayPal or bank account. You may simply copy and paste to send an email without having to sell anything or have any prior expertise with affiliate marketing. The last benefit I have for you is this website, and if you can achieve that, you can profit from this. It has a tool that allows you to create articles entirely from scratch, so if you don't want to waste time browsing Google News for articles, you can just use ChatGPT to create a complete article in under 3 minutes. Get ready because I'm about to show you how to do it right now for free. Let me now demonstrate how to use this tool for you. Simply click here, then enter the subject you want to write your article on. For instance, let's pretend we want to write about the health niche. Let's search for a story on Google News. Choosing this one, I'm going to copy this headline of the article and paste it here after returning to the website. In this video, I won't go into great depth, so just click here. It offered me a selection of titles. I'll pick option number 1. If you haven't already, I believe you will immediately click the like button following this section. So let me give you a quick rundown of everything. First, go to Google News and look for an article that interests you. You may pitch it to the 3 websites I gave you once you've picked one you like by copying the complete piece and pasting it into SpinBot. They will get in touch with you and request your payment information if they are interested. With just a few clicks, you can have a finished article that you can sell to any of the 3 websites if you're looking for a speedier and easier technique. Simply copy the title of the article you like and put it into the Writer tool. That concludes the video for today since I mentioned how simple it is to start earning money online right away. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun ways to make money online.